TCI Weather Page 24, Section 4. 3 ways energy is transferred. You've learned that thermal energy is transferred from warmer objects to cooler objects. Thermal energy can flow from warm water to melt ice that floats upon it. Energy flows from the sun to warm earth. Energy flows from warm air to make fog disappear. How does energy move differently in these 3 cases? Well, in case number 1, conduction. Conduction is the transfer of energy from one part of a material to another or between 2 objects that are in physical contact with each other. For example, warmer water transfers thermal energy to colder ice. Within the ice, energy flows from warmer parts to cooler parts. Another example is when thermal energy flows from a bird to its eggs by conduction when the warmer bird touches the cooler eggs. Conduction happens when particles that make up matter bump into each other, transferring energy from fast-moving particles to slow-moving particles. Energy moves through liquids, solids, and gases in this way. Remember, though, energy does not flow between 2 objects that are the same temperature. Radiation. Radiation is the transfer of energy by light, including visible light, infrared light, and ultraviolet light, as well as other forms of energy. It is the process by which energy flows between objects that are not touching. For example, the sun transfers energy through empty space to the earth by radiation. This energy transfer does not require objects or fluids to occur. The atmosphere, water, land, and living things are warmed when they absorb sunlight. And then the third way is convection. Convection is the transfer of energy caused by the circulation of matter due to differences in density. For example, denser fog evaporates and appears to lift when the less dense air beneath it warms from the energy transported upward from the ground through convection. Energy moves through the atmosphere by convection when warm air flows from the equator to the poles. Warm equatorial ocean water also flows to the poles by convection. Warm liquid water transfers energy to the ice by conduction. Energy flows from the sun to the earth by radiation. And fog evaporates when air warms from energy transported upwards from convection.